Welcome back from our short break. As we were discussing before, we are looking at how this both system look at human being, meaning the Islamic, the conventional, and the Abal. Though Islamic and Abal, they are more or less the same thing. So, as we said, they look at human being in Islamic look at human being these five phases. Starting with the faith. The faith is very, very important in medical treatment. Today, a lot of diseases are as a result of our faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If we look at the hadith of Abu Sa'id al-Khudri in Surah Al-Fatiha, the hadith that is talking about Ruqya, when Abu Sa'id al-Khudri went with some of his colleagues to that village which they refused to give them accommodation, then the king or the head or a district head of the village was stung by a scorpion, and they tried treating him to no avail. They said, why not we resort to those strangers? Maybe they will have something that will cure the district head. Abu Sa'id al-Khudri says, yes, we are going to do that. We are not going to do except you give us something. And they give them a flock of sheep, whereby Abu Sa'id al-Khudri recited Surah Al-Fatiha, and the district head was well by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala permission. When they came back to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam say? وَمَا يُدْرِيكَ أَنَّهَا رُقْيَةٌ. What informed you that Surah Al-Fatiha is Ruqya? Is it just the recitation of Surah Al-Fatiha or our faith that Surah Al-Fatiha cures? Because the Quran is a cure. وَالنَّزِلُ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مَا هُوَ شِفَاءٌ وَرَحْمَةً لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say we reveal from the Quran that which cures. Shifa'un lima fi sudur. So Quran is a cure. Recitation of Quran is also a cure. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying the glorious Quran, الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَتَطْمَئِنُّ قُلُوبُهُمْ بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ أَلَا بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ تَطْمَئِنُّ الْقُلُوبُ. That those people that believe and they tranquil their heart with the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or the recitation of the glorious Quran, indeed it's with the remembrance of the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that the hearts attain what tranquility. And we know when we say the heart attain tranquility, meaning the heart is going to be relaxed. When the heart relaxes, we know there's going to be vasodilatation, then the cardiac output is going to decrease. This is going to bring down the BP. This is going to bring down the cortisol, which affect the heart and other parts of the body and cause a lot of systemic diseases. So we can see how faith matters. There's this patient that one of our brother among our Islamic medicine brother. This patient has been moved around the world with abnormal abdominal pain because the patient is rich. He has traveled to different parts of the world, but they couldn't get a solution. Then he was informed to see this brother. But because of the understanding of Islamic medicine of this brother went into his social history. The social history, not the social history we understood as medical personnel now. He went into the Islamic medicine social history. Then he was asking him about the source of his income, the food that is eaten, the halal. Then he discovered that this man has been entrusted with the wealth of orphan and he was eating it. Then he told him that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يَأْكُلُونَ أَمْوَالَ الْيَتَامَى ظُلْمًا إِنَّمَا يَأْكُلُونَ فِي بُطُونِهِمْ نَارًا وَسَيَصْلَوْنَ سَعِيرًا. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, those people that are wrongly eating the wealth or the belongings of the orphan, they should indeed be informed that they are eating in their belly fire. So by just mere understanding of this spiritual aspect of this, then the man returned the rights of these orphans to them, and that is the end of his abdominal pain. You can see they have moved around the world. Today when we look at medicine, we have a lot of diseases. If we ask of the cause, they will say idiopathic or non-cause. But now, why not we give attention to the faith and see what Islam has in this? Now, another important thing about this is a lot of diseases has about 4 basic causes, which only 3 are only 1 is medically recognized, but the rest don't even have a medical attention. Very funny, even the Muslims, some people, because of their belief, their creed of the Mu'tazila, they don't even believe in those things. 1 is al-mashu. Many of the diseases is what? Al-mashu. That is the evil affiliation of the jinn. A jinn can come in and enter into the human body and distorts the system. And this is not surprising because Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in authentic hadith, inna shaitan la yajri fi ibn Adam majra dam, that the shaitan is circumambulating in the human body just the way blood is circulating. Inshallah, we are going to stop here. In our next episode, we are going to continue from where we stop. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.